Your oil change indicator system can help take the guesswork out of oil changes. When it's time to change the oil, you'll hear a chime, and the oil change required message will appear briefly in the instrument cluster. The system is duty cycle based, so the oil change interval may fluctuate according to your driving style. Keep in mind though, until reset, the oil change message will continue to appear every time you turn on the ignition. To reset the oil change indicator system after a scheduled oil change, put the vehicle in park. With your foot off the brake, push the engine start-stop button twice to put the ignition into the on-run position. Don't actually start the engine though. Now, use the steering wheel arrow controls to find the Oil Life submenu in the Vehicle Info section of your instrument cluster display. Then, just push and hold the OK button until the gauge resets to 100%. If you still see the message when you start the vehicle, the system did not reset, and you'll need to repeat this procedure. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.